going. The climb begins. That's where we came from. This is where we're going. Oh wait, I think there's a shortcut trail right here. I know. Where it comes out to the trail. Wait a minute, hang on. Let me see. Let's see where we are here. Of course, as usual, it's not tracking us. Stupid app. I hate this app. Stupid app. I'm over here. It's not tracking us. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh, I'm in the right trail system. Why did it get me over there? Oh, man. Oh, there I am. Okay, that trail's not even on here. Alright, well, stupid thing. Tell it to start navigating. Alright, well, the trail doesn't show it's on here. You know, I hit start navigating. I never started navigating. And it started tracking us. Yeah, I know, but I just wanted to verify with that trail back there. Crazy. Stop. Hey, brake. Lots of road, huh? Yeah. Lots of rhododendrons over here. We don't have to go to Rhododendron State Park, we can just go here.
That's right.
Man, they're everywhere. Looks like they're all going to be white. Exhaling. These might be pink. I dropped the cap. Supposed to hold on to the cap. Okay, I'm ready. Yep. One. Looks like a trail going through here. That's where we came from. This is to the left of us. And this is where we're going. It's all uphill. 400-foot up climb. Having fun yet? I know. Out of shape.
Sure you don't want to take your shirt off?
I haven't got anything underneath it.
Oh, no.
No. That's why I wore it, so I won't have to peel the shirt off me back.
Wow.
It's hard to get that shirt off. It's all sweat drenched. Oh, here's more poop. Is that bear poop, anybody? It's not dog poop. Too much of it. Trail right through there. Probably cut across from the other trail we're on. Not too much out to eat here. No berries. Just leaves, grass, maybe. Wait a minute, I'll be right up there. Hang on. Don't say any trail names. Alright. Let's see. All right, let me go get this other sign over here. I think that's the one we want right there. Yep.
Come down.
Yep, that's the one we want right there.
Okay, there's not one
No,
down.
well, we couldn't go down there. That goes on the bridge.
I thought there was another right that went back to the road because this one branches off, right?
No. If we'd come straight instead of taking that left, that first trail, we would have come out to here.
Right. So that must mean there's another.
No, there isn't. Come here. Come here.
Okay.
Oh,
Never
come
mind.
over here and look at the sign. Right there. Right there.
I guess I'm mistaken.
You are
Oh,
mistaken.
okay.
I've been on these trails many a times.
All right.
I know how to read the signs.
Okay. I wasn't aware that was the name of it.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you want, we can continue going the other way.
No.
Is that enough? All right.
Sorry, we didn't have one.
I know. We've been on all the trails in this park. Yep. Except for that one that goes across the road, you haven't been on that one. Okay. All right, let me make sure. I could be wrong. I don't know. I think this is where we want to go. Yep, it is. Yeah, it is. Okay. So when I was out here last time, right about here, I started hearing all these weird noises out there.
Oh yeah?
Not even being Sasquatches talking. Female Sasquatches talking. Yeah. Because I stood there for about maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes listening, and I slowly moved to the right, try to get a view. And when I came around a big tree, they got a glimpse of the camera and stopped talking right away. It was like, in fact, it was right over here. They're all in, there's a little swampy area right here. It was right over here. I started hearing weird. I think I played it for you. I don't know if I played it for you or not. Yeah, they were going up like crazy. There's 3 or 4 of them. They were like really going at it. And in fact, there's a trail going right through here. Right at that brook tree. Right through there. See if Lene sees anything in there. Okay. I just saw something move over there. Wasn't so swampy, I'd go in there. Check it out. But a lot of water in there. Still. There's a trail right through here. Can't see it on camera very probably, very well. There's an X-ray here too. Right at the beginning of an arch right there. That wasn't like that last time I was here. This was here. Some stuff's been added to it. Someone's claimed this is their tree.